This is a Madeline which I drew, and everything behind me is my attempt to make this Madeline pop off the page by following allrecipe.com's recipe of Madelines. If you're wondering why I would go through all the trouble, is simply when life gives you lemons and lavender, what happens? But before that, it would mean so much to me if you smashed, obliterated, uppercutted the like button. Thanks. We'll first start off with a quarter cup of butter, or 56 grams, and let that cool to room temperature. In a small mixing bowl, beat 2 eggs and 3/4 teaspoons of vanilla extract, or 4 milliliters of vanilla extract. Grab 1/8 tablespoon of salt, or 1 gram of salt, and place in the bowl with all your technique and skill, just like so. Grab your mixer and start the mixing process. And know that Madelines, whether they be cookies or cakes, let's start the debate, are delicious and remarkable. With friends and family, with tea and coffee, we can all enjoy this easy recipe. Delicate and delicious? Oh, come on, tell me you want some. Mixing consistently, gradually add 1/3 cup of white sugar, or 66 grams, after beating at high speeds until the mixture is thick and pale and ribbons form in the bowl when the beater is lifted, so 5 to 10 minutes. Then sift half a cup of all-purpose flour, or 60 grams of all-purpose flour, into the egg mixture, 1/3 at a time, mixing after every addition. As we establish, sifting's my cardio. What's yours? Comment below. So at this point, you want to gently fold in and gently stir and make sure that the mixture doesn't cake up at the rim of the bowl. We need zest, we need citrus, we need that kick. So that's what the lemon is for. What I want you to do is grab 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, or 6 grams, and place it right into the bowl. And remember that butter? It's probably at room temperature at this point. I want you to pour it right into the bowl too. And then you're going to mix with your mixer and get everything thoroughly homogenized. You can even breakdance if you wanted. I'm not going to. But if you wanted to, I would not judge you. It's all fun and games until you don't have butter. So what I want you to do is, with the rest of the melted butter, baste it onto your pan. Grab your batter and place into the molds. Even out as needed, but be careful. Try not to get too much on the outside of the mold in case it burns. But it does not have to be a Picasso. So do as you like. The masterpiece will soon follow. Guarantee. This is future me. 375 for 14 to 17 minutes, like the recipe wants, is too hot. 350 at 10 minutes is just perfect. 375 is way too hot. Case in point. Burnt. This is number 2. I tried it again at 350, and you'll see what happens. My whole house smells so amazing, and I have to wait. I'm back, and it smells absolutely incredible. My entire house smells like lemons and like love, basically. Look at this pristine. It's just perfect. It's wafery, it's light, it's delicate. I couldn't make it any better than this. Here we go. That was rude. That's absolutely rude that it came out of the oven so good. It's disrespectful. So delicious. I'm not done yet. What I'm gonna do is put white chocolate and lavender on it and see what happens. All right, I'm gonna take my first bite of the lavender and the chocolate right now. Ooh. Okay. Oh, that chocolate. It's So you got the floral elements from the lavender, and then you have the white chocolate to brighten and sweeten it up, along with the zest from the lemon. This is the full package. This is where it's at. You gotta make one of these. Bake some memories. Gotta bake some memories. Thank you for joining me once again, and we made this little guy pop off the page. I don't know, should we name these? I don't know. It's up to you. Comment below, and baking is beautiful, so let's do it again.